Welcome to this guide on how to manage email filters in DirectAdmin. Email filters enable you to take automatic action on emails based on the sender, the subject, keywords in the body, the message size, or the attachment, depending on the rules of the filter. Some of those actions taken on the emails include moving them to a specific folder, deleting messages, forwarding them, marking them as spam, and more. Let's get started. Log into your DirectAdmin account. Once in, scroll to Email Manager, click on Email Accounts. Now open the email address that you would like to set up filters for. Once in your webmail, you will see this page here where all the magic takes place. Click on Settings, then click on Filters. Now click on the Create button. Here, give the filter a name. Now make sure the filter is enabled. If not, click this to enable it. Now go to the rules. Here you will choose what to be used by the filter, either the subject, from to attachment, body, size, date, and more. In this case, we will use the subject containing the words Happy Holidays and win prizes. Now go to the actions, which is what you would like the filter to do. Whether it is to move the message, to copy the message, to redirect it, or to delete, just to mention a few. In this case, we would like to delete. Once done, click Save. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.